Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on the background app refresh on your iPhone. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, just press on this settings icon and then scroll down a little until you see this general option here. So just press on the general option, and once you press on the general option you will be able to see this option which says background app refresh. So I'm going to press on this option, and once I press on this option you can see at the top right now my background app refresh is off. I can turn it on by just pressing on this button, and then I can choose whether I want to refresh my apps in background over my Wi-Fi or both on my Wi-Fi and my mobile data. So I will just select on Wi-Fi here, which means my background app refresh is enabled, and you can see all the options by default are enabled right now. I can just toggle these toggle buttons to just select or unselect some specific apps to exclude from this background app refresh. So that's it. This is how you can turn on or off your background app refresh on your iPhone. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.